we're the only crazy people that are actually coming out to go swimming in winter. Us, and maybe that guy. This is one of the kids' favorite spots. The Ski Patrol Training Camp. All kinds of slides and icebergs to climb on, and all kinds of fun stuff. It's crazy how empty it is. There's like nobody here in the winter months. But I'm sure this water is cold. They do have it heated, but I'm sure it's still chilly. I think Kelly and Hunter are gonna race. On your mark, get set. Go, 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 go. Is it cold? Yes. Looks like we have an iceberg war going on. Sibling versus sibling. Oh. Aw. Hunter is down. How was the ski patrol?
Good, but Kelly couldn't do the, he couldn't like climb and stuff.
Get on the iceberg?
Yeah, he's too old now.
I saw he was struggling to get on the iceberg. Pants problems? Trying to get up on the iceberg and pull your pants up at the same time. I got you.
And now I actually know what Jamaican drum was.
I think we like this song. Seriously, you need to name that the Squidward dance. That looks just like Squidward. The kids are gonna do the toboggan racers. See who's fastest. We're supposed to shake these? Huh. That's cool. Bunch of cowbells to shake. To cheer on your winner, I guess. No way, they actually tied. That is awesome that they actually tied. Way up there is Summit Plummet. Would you guys do that one? That one just drops you down. Would you guys do it?
Number 2 right over here next to me, but he came on second place. Yeah, he made first. Number 2 in second place.
Good job, Kelly. Woohoo! Good job, Hunter. Is that how you hold the mat? That's the new technique to hold the mat.
Thank you guys for joining us. Make sure you say a like, subscribe, do. So see you guys next time. Keep on dreaming. Love you all. Bye.